Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's been a little bit of a while, but this new video, if you've noticed, it's a bit different. So it's just a minifigure stand or like a green plate. I've built my own custom stand where I can make a character spin around so you can see the whole character a lot easier. And as you've already read the title, probably, it's Namor. Well, yeah, Namor. Because, well, people were thinking Namor might be in Black Panther 2, which I think it could be, which would be pretty fun to see. King versus King. King of the land, King of the sea. Both probably like really high-tech places as well. I don't really know, I don't know much about Namor. I know it's basically just a Marvel version of Aquaman. Basically, I don't know. But yeah, to make Namor, you need this hairpiece, which has like the spiky ears, which is from, well, there's two from one of the Lego Batman series. There's like the twins or something, I don't know what they're called. But yeah, they have that hairpiece. Oh, if it focuses. There you go. The head, if you get Star Wars sets, you probably already have one or multiple. It's just like angry clone face or whatever. And then I use the torso from, and the legs from another Lego Batman figure where he has the dolphin. That looks pretty good. And yeah, that's all you need for Namor. You could add a trident, but I don't know where mine is. And he might have a black one, I'm not sure, but I don't have a black trident. I only have the gold one with Aquaman. But yeah, you can see the Bat logo there, but yeah, I don't know. It's not that noticeable, but I think it looks pretty good. And yeah, so thanks for the recent support in my videos, and don't forget to like, subscribe, check out my Instagram, because you've probably seen this in some of this background bit in some of my Instagram photos. So I've got 2 photos which I haven't done a video on for like figures, so go and check that out if you haven't already. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.